Just another day on the street, and markets look like they're trying to go higher. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, May the 25th. And this update is brought to you by our friends at Family Farms, Friends and Partners. And of course, they have the same objectives we do, which is to help farmers put themselves in a better financial position after they're done with the farming portion of it. So great to be with them. And of course, can't wait for the July event. But in the meantime, markets are popping, not as strong as they were earlier, but still higher this morning. Dow's up 23, Nasdaq's up 37, S&P up 5, and the Russell up about 110. We reversed. We are now short too long the Dow, long the S&P and the Nasdaq, short the Dow and the Russell. We'll see where we go from here. It's been always a crazy kind of action, and we all, see some of the issues, but markets continue to push higher. We look at the metals, which we are long, and of course, gold is up, but it has been very wild and all over the place today. Silver is up. We're long both. And of course, platinum is higher. But at the end of the day, we don't trade platinum anymore because we can't. It is not liquid enough. Crude is up now. It has been all over the map, up and down. And right now at the moment, it is lower. It is higher and up about 11, 12 cents. It's been on both sides of the market. We are still long, of course. Copper is lower and we're short. Nat gas is slightly higher, which we reversed today. We are now short. Bonds and notes continue to push higher. We are along them both. So as much as I hate bonds and notes, it looks like they're going up for now. But of course, we do understand that the bond vigilantes will be back. So again, we'll look at that. And of course, the dollar is getting smushed once again. Not a surprise. We continue to be short dollars. It's a market that is, and kind of going about its own route into what it wants to do. And it's all good. Whatever the price action, the trend will tell us, that's where we're going to go. The cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is getting smushed today once again. But again, it's been very volatile, and you expect that kind of volatility anyway. So it isn't like it is a big ordeal. Taking a look at the grains, they're very mixed. Corn's down 13, soybeans are up 13, and wheat is down about a penny. So pretty wild. The meats, all three, fats, feeders, and live cattle are slightly higher. And of course, as we go into the softs department, cotton is higher, and we are short. Coffee is higher and we're long. Sugar is higher and we're short. Cocoa is higher and we're long. And OJ is lower and we are long. So it's one of those kind of days. And, look, we're short the grains and long the meats. I know I didn't say anything. Look, we'll go and follow and take the path of least resistance always. We'll always be with the trend. And of course, even throughout trends, you do get some choppy conditions. So we're not going to worry about the day-to-day action in markets. We're looking for the longer-term moves and the longer-term trends. So again, we'll see what happens here. It's a long way from the end of the day. Number one. Number two, anything can happen, and we're prepared. And we will not be adjusting what we have on for today. So our positions for today are good. In the meantime, don't forget about our brokerage partners. Now, again, as I always tell you, I do have other brokers, but our two preferred brokers for equities and options are Tradier. And again, look, the first thing is $10 a month. How can you pass that up? I mean, it's like putting money in your pocket for free, but it's, they've got great customer service. plus the fact that we have their APIs, which allows us to automate our portfolio models and our hedging if you choose. You don't have to. It is not a requirement. It is something that is your option. If you'd like to, it is part of your membership. And of course, for futures and commodities, the only authorized letter of direction vendor we offer is the CTG Group. Why? Because they've got great customer service. They take care of our members. They have all of my accounts myself. They do my trading for me. And of course, they've got some great managed futures products. Check them out at info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, the commodity report written by Andy Hecht. There is nothing finer, I've been told many times. And of course, I can tell you from experience that if you are a commodities trader, this is the report you got to have. It's called Technomental. Go to BubbaTrading.com. You can check it out. And of course, the high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, look, be patient, be disciplined, observe the markets, and pick your spots. There's no reason to be in a hurry to do anything. It's a holiday. It's going to be a holiday week. It's going to get quieter and quieter into an already quiet market. So have a great week. Have a great day. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.